We've got a bit of a mixed question here. So we're using density, and we need to be able to calculate the volume of a sort of a partial prism. We've got a pyramid attached to the top as well. So it's sort of a compound volume, I suppose. All right, let's do this. Let's just sort of maybe just calculate some stuff and see how it goes. We've got the total mass of the object, first of all, 158 grams. That's going to be useful. And then we're told the density of the cuboid. So if we can work out the mass of the cuboid, then we can work out the mass of the pyramid, which is made of granite, and then we can work out the density of the granite. So that's kind of the logical process. Now let's just remind ourselves, density is equal to mass over volume. So mass is equal to density times volume. All right, so we need to find the volume of the cuboid, and we're told that it is it's a square, 4 by 4. So the cuboid is going to be 4 times 4 times 8, and that's going to be 4 lots of 32, which is going to be 128 centimeters cubed. So if I want the mass of the cuboid, then it's going to be the density, 0.67, multiplied by the volume, which is 128. And we get 85.76. Therefore, the mass of the pyramid will equal 158, that's the total, minus this mass of the cuboid. Let's see what we get for that. 158 minus the answer button, 72.24. Okay, we're well on our way, because now we've got, so what have we got? We've got the mass of the pyramid. We want the density of the granite in the pyramid, so we just need the volume of the pyramid. And that's good, because we're told the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the base times the perpendicular height. We've got that the full height is 13, the height of the cuboid is 8, so this height is going to be 5. So the volume of the pyramid is going to be 1/3 times the area of the base, 4 times 4, multiplied by 5. That's not going to be a particularly nice answer. It's going to be, but let's go with it. So 4 times 4 times 5 divided by 3, 80 over 3. I think I'll just leave it as a fraction for now. Okay, so density of pyramid will equal the mass, 72.24, divided by the volume, which is 80 divided by 3. So I can do 72.24. I'm expecting this to come out to be a decent answer. Divided by answer, and we get 2.709. Okay, good. So it rounds. I think I just leave that exact, to be honest. I mean, I've got this to, I suppose I've only got that to one significant figure. Maybe I'd round it. I think I'll write that, and then I'll write 2.7, because I don't think we're going to get, I think we'll be absolutely fine with either of those answers, especially if we write both. But because we're actually only given these measurements to one significant figure, we can't actually give an answer accurate to 4 significant figures. We should really only give it most to 2. So I'm going to write 2.7, but the main bit about this question is the process. So it's we've got the mass of the whole object, we've got the density of the cuboid. We have to sort of work out the mass of the cuboid, work out the mass of the pyramid from that, work out the volume of the pyramid, and get the density of the pyramid.